This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Insert the ignition key, rotate it anti-clockwise, then clockwise to release the catch. Fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Position the workshop jack under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member and remove the jack. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position a suitable container under the engine sump drain plug. Slacken and remove the engine sump drain plug. Allow the oil to drain into the container. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening. Fit a new sealing washer and screw in the drain plug. Tighten the plug using a torque wrench. The oil filter is located at the front of the engine block. Use a filter removal tool or similar to slacken and remove the filter. Wipe clean the filter sealing surface on the engine. If the old filter's rubber seal is stuck to the surface, remove it. Lubricate the rubber seal on the new filter with a little clean engine oil. Maneuver the new filter into position, then tighten it until the rubber seal makes a contact with the sealing surface. Now tighten the filter by hand a further 3/4 of a turn. The oil drain container can now be removed from underneath the vehicle. Add the correct specification of oil to the engine. Pour in half the specified quantity at first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Withdraw the oil level dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. Add more oil as necessary to bring the level to the lower mark on the dipstick. Then add approximately 1.5 litres more to bring the level to the upper mark. Do not overfill. With the level correct, fully insert the dipstick and securely refit the filler cap. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet. Don't forget to remove the ignition key.